In the Layers panel, make sure both layers are visible and the model layer is selected. Then choose Select, Select and Mask. Select and Mask opens with the image. A semi-transparent onion skin overlay indicates masked areas, which are represented by a checkerboard pattern. For now, the checkerboard pattern covers the entire image because you haven't identified the areas to unmask. Click the View menu in the View Mode section of the Properties panel and choose Overlay. The masked area is now shown as a semi-transparent red color instead of the onion skin checkerboard. It's solid because nothing is masked yet. The different view modes are provided so that you can see the mask more easily over various backgrounds. In this case, the red overlay will make it easier to see missed areas and edges where loose hair isn't properly masked. In the options bar, click the Select Subject button. Using advanced machine learning technology, the Select Subject feature is trained to identify typical subjects of a photo, including people, animals, and objects, and then creates a selection for them. The selection may not be perfect, but it's often close enough for you to refine easily and rapidly with other selection tools. Notice that there are few areas over the chest that were missed by Select Subject. You can easily add them to the selection using the Quick Selection tool. Make sure the Quick Selection tool is selected. In the options bar, set up a brush with a size of 15 pixels. Then drag the Quick Selection tool over the missed areas, without extending into the background, to add the missed areas to the selection. Notice that the Quick Selection tool fills in the selection as it detects content edges, so you don't have to be exact. It's okay if you release the mouse button and drag more than once. Where you drag teaches the Quick Selection tool which areas should be revealed and not part of the mask. Do not drag the Quick Selection tool over or past the model's edge to the background, because this teaches the Quick Selection tool to include part of the background in the mask, and you don't want that. If you accidentally add unwanted areas to the mask, either choose Edit, Undo, or reverse the edit by painting over it with the Quick Selection tool in Subtract mode. To enable Subtract mode for the Quick Selection tool, click the Subtract from Selection icon in the options bar. As you drag the Quick Selection tool over the model, the overlay disappears from the area you are marking to be revealed. Don't worry about total perfection at this stage. Then click the View menu in the View Mode section again and choose On Layers. This shows how the current Select and Mask settings look over any layers that are beneath this layer. In this case, you're previewing how the current settings will mask the model layer over the magazine background layer. Inspect the edges around the model at a high magnification, such as 400%. Some of the original light background may still show between the model's edge and the magazine background, but overall, the Select Subject and Quick Selection tools should have created clean edges for the shirt and face. Don't be concerned about the edge gaps or imperfect hair edges, because you'll take care of those next.